Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper glider. First, grab a standard sheet of paper, typically 8.5 by 11 inches. Begin by folding it lengthwise down the middle, creating a crisp crease, then unfold it. This center line will be your guide. Next, take the top two corners and fold them inward so their edges perfectly align with that center crease you just made. This forms the nose of your glider. Now, take the newly formed top point and fold it downwards, ensuring it meets the bottom edge of the previous triangular folds. This creates a more defined nose for your glider. After that, fold the new top corners inwards once more, aligning them precisely with the center crease. This step further refines the glider's shape. Remember, sharp and symmetrical folds are crucial for achieving optimal flight performance. With the nose and initial shape complete, fold the entire glider in half along that original center crease, ensuring the folded-in sections are on the inside. This forms the main body. Next, fold down each side to create the main wings. Aim for a fold about 1 inch from the bottom edge of the body. It's important that both wings are identical in size and angle to ensure balanced flight and a smooth glide. For the final touches, add small upward folds about 1/4 of an inch to the back edges of the wings. These tiny elevators help with stability. You can also gently curve the wings slightly upwards to enhance lift during flight. Experiment with small adjustments to find the perfect balance for your glider. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Now, give your paper glider a gentle toss and watch it soar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.